Good morning. I would first like to verify that the technical equipment that we are using is operative. Therefore, can everyone who is using earphones in the courtroom hear me in a language he understands? Can you hear me? In a language you understand, sir. Very good. Mr. Rhodes, remember to use the microphone.
I'm so sorry.
Fine. Thank you so much.
Let me check whether the equipment for interpretation works. I would like to ask the accused if he can hear me in a language he understands. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Thank you.
Now let me turn next to the accused to make sure that they can hear what's being said in a language which they understand. Can you all hear? If there's
Yes, Your Honour.
If there's any difficulty during the proceedings or any proceedings before this trial chamber, if you have any difficulty hearing, will you indicate straight away?
Microphone, please. Microphone, please.
You may be seated, General.
Je voudrais tout d'abord.
First of all, I would like to say good afternoon to the people working in the technical booth, and to be sure that everybody can hear me. General, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, très bien.
Very well, thank you.
Mr. Tarchulovsky. Mr. Tarchulovsky. Please, Usher, make sure that he's on the right channel. Before I proceed any further, I want to make sure that you are receiving interpretation in your own language.
No.
No. So that's problem number one. 8 o'clock on a Monday morning. Are you receiving interpretation now?
To an Albanski. It's not Macedonian.
I'm receiving the Albanian language and not Macedonian.
To check.
So.
Are you receiving interpretation now? You are receiving interpretation now. All right. For the time being, that's the most important part. Most important thing that I wanted to make sure of. If at any time you are not receiving interpretation, please draw my attention immediately. Okay, thank you. You may sit down for the time being.
The case having been identified, before I address myself to the accused here present, I first wish to say good afternoon to the interpreters and make sure that they can hear me, the public gallery equally, who are going to participate in our debates, as is normal, in an international public tribunal.
From the outset, I'd like to find out from the accused whether he can understand what is going on in the language he understands. The accused?
No.
On? Is there no interpretation? You're not understanding us.
But that was true. I can hear the interpretation.
You can understand what is going on.
Yes, I understand.
Mr.
Mr. Selenovic, I take it you're Mr. Selenovic. Can you hear me in a language you understand?
No.
Yes.